Hey everyone, Angelo is behindthevault.net. Now, I just read an article that both disgusted me and intrigued me, and I just had to jump on and talk to you all about it. So in this article, there's a couple who split all their expenses down the middle, 50-50. But he makes $150,000 a year and she makes $45,000 a year. And his family wanted to go on this big family vacation. So they chose this really upscale resort, and she actually had to take a second job just to be able to afford the vacation. And when they got there, she didn't realize how expensive everything was, and she only ate 2 meals a day. She didn't really go on any of the excursions, or very few of them. And when they got back from the trip, the boyfriend got really angry at her and said, like, what the heck, do you have an eating disorder? Like, do you not like my family? You don't want to do the excursions? And she's like, are you kidding me, man? Like, I busted my ass. I took a second job just to be able to afford that trip, and I didn't realize how expensive everything was. So, she did all the hard work, and she, tried to keep up with the Joneses, and she stretched herself only to have a terrible time. And how many times in your life have you done that, where you've, tried to overextend yourself because you wanted to, be in a certain circle or keep up with a certain group, and then at the end you're like, are you kidding me? I did all that work for what? I feel even worse now on the way out. On the other hand, they did agree on a 50-50 split on everything. So, what is your opinion? Does she just not go on the trip? Does she say, hey, listen, man, I mean, for everyday expenses, totally we can 50-50 this, but this is a luxury that I can't afford. It's not in my wheelhouse. So if you want me to go, you're gonna have to pitch in. And the other question is, what if the roles were reversed? How would you feel? Would you feel any differently if she made $150,000 a year and he made 45? Comment below. Let's get a conversation going. I'd love to hear what you say. And you've been Behind the Vault.